guess Nick's finally here. We're gonna touch base and get that gas drain, but let's check out, see what's taking Nick so long to get here today. Car.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Nick finally showed up at the shop. He'll be ungrounded next Thursday, by the way.
Yeah, and then you guys will
actually
see.
Yeah, the coming Thursday, when you see this on Tuesday, he'll be officially but this, since we never got a chance to showcase the car after we did it and the video kind of failed, that was my fault though. Check this bad boy out. And we got the speed, and now we have the wrapped EK, and there's a special thing. It's got a turbo now. So, there we go. We also picked up some exhaust pipe. We're gonna do our own exhaust work. He's gonna do some on his G. We'll do some on the speed over there. Finish the exhaust so it actually comes out the back. But Nick, you ready to get this gas drain?
Yeah.
We got a few things we're gonna check on it. We're gonna check the grounds. I think you had some things you wanted to check.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Maybe a crank sensor could be our issue.
Could be a lot of things.
Yeah. We don't know. 5 years sitting around.
Yeah. 5 years old gas, 5 years of weather, 5 years of nobody driving it.
Yeah, nobody drove it. 5 years.
It doesn't look bad for sitting for 5 years.
Yeah.
But we got some stuff to get the gas drain. We got ourselves a siphoner, a little pump, because we're not about the.
This is a Dollar General freaking siphoner.
Ace.
Oh, Ace. Yes.
We got some hose so we can get it in there. And we were gonna blow out the line, but I think we're just gonna let it run through because we're not gonna unhook the fuel pump, and if we try to blow out the line, that's really not gonna do anything.
Yeah. Well, if anything, we'll just drain whatever we can out of this, run it, and then just slowly start pouring gas in.
Oh yeah, you said you got some gas, right?
Oh yeah, I sure did.
We only got what, 2 gallons?
2.5 gallons.
2.5 gallons put back in here, but
309 for premium.
hell yeah, I gotta run premium. The EK out there probably gotta run premium.
Yeah, my G's gotta run premium. Oh, race car life.
Yeah, race car life.
Let's go E85.
If you can't tell, don't mind the bumper. The bumper is actually wrong. It's for a 4-door. We didn't buy it. It came with the car. But we got the front end fixed. We just gotta weld everything up. The core supports, it's straightened out, so that's good to go. But the main focus today is this sucker. So we're gonna get set up here, get everything start going, and we'll be back at you with this draining this gas out. All right, so we did a weight reduction.
Yeah.
That seat is massively heavy. It's probably like 100 pounds. Not really, but look at it. Look at it.
Like 80.
It's up there.
Yeah.
So you ever want to reduce weight in your G's? Take the dang seats out. So we're putting a box in there.
Yeah.
That's how we're gonna roll. But
race car style.
definitely. We got the hose all set up. We got
Some empty can.
an empty can that doesn't say what it is on there. I'm excited. I really hope this time.
Yep, we're gonna do a full tune-up.
Solve some issues.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I need my hose. Whatever. It's going in.
What's going on?
It's going in. We going in. We going in.
Oh, I've never actually really used one of these, but I know the concept of it.
Yep. Just keep on pumping. Oh, this is way better than just sucking it.
Oh, maybe I gotta fill it up first. So we're assuming there's like four gallons in there.
Maybe.
I guess I can do it this way.
This is our handy dandy measuring cup.
Yeah.
That is not a shot. I mean, this is a whole shot right here.
No, that's 2 shots.
That is not 2 shots.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I mean,
It totally is. Well, I'll bring a shot glass. It's a shot to the brim is like 1.25 ounces. Do you guys believe this is 2 ounces? I want to mark on here with a marker, and when I come back, we're gonna check this. So basically, you're just below 4.
just below 4?
So you almost put 4 ounces in here.
Oh, that's okay. Ounces per gallon.
Down the hatch.
Thing's taking a shot. That's the 1 shot.
So we're gonna do it the right way and actually tighten them down.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
They might be shot.
My brake or my terminal cleaner.
Let this thing warm up. Let the seafoam run through it and see what happens. Check you in a minute. Yeah, we were playing with it. We think the throttle body is bad. It's not opening at all. If it is, it's only open like a little bit. So we were, we'll show you what we did, but we did get it to rev out a little bit. I'll have Nick show you what he did.
Probably shouldn't do this at all.
Not like this at all. Pretty sure the throttle body is bad because they're all electronic. So the gas pedal has a sensor, the throttle body has a sensor, and they're not communicating. And we probably
Just messed it up.
did mess it up. So because I'll push on the gas and it won't really do anything.
Drift car though.
That drift car is gonna be a bad. I do
get the tune and we're shooting flames.
Oh yeah. The next thing we do to this, I don't know yet. It'll be a surprise for you guys.
Surprise to me too.
Yeah, cause I don't even know. It was besides ordering more parts for it. It's kind of like maybe we'll start cutting it. I don't know. No, I know what we'll do next. Next Thursday we'll work on getting the dash put back in, the new dash, and we'll clean up the dash area and vacuum it out and get it looking all nice. So that way we can start cutting it more, make it lighter, and then prep it for a cake. Start doing the cool stuff.
Yeah.
Since we have an idea.
I just want to drive it.
I know.
I just want to go drifting.
Me too. Till next time. See you guys later.
Later.